Hi friends, I'm Shravan Kumar this side. So welcome to my YouTube channel, Salesforce Teach and Learn. So today we'll be learning about how to make a Salesforce flow. As in the previous video, I have already made a video regarding what is flow and a basic introduction to Salesforce flow. So today we'll be learning about how to make a flow and how to debug it, right? So what is a flow builder? Basically, it is a tool that automates complex business processes. Flow builder can be used to build code like logic without using a programming language. Okay, so I hope you do understand. So now let's go and create a flow, and let's learn that how we can create a flow basically. Okay, so today we'll be creating a flow with the help of which we'll be creating records, right? So this is the one. So after going to your org, you have to just type flow here, and then you'll get to know about all the flows which are there in the system. Then what we'll do, we'll click here new flow, and then we'll get an option to make a screen flow or other types of flow, which also I have discussed in my previous video. So we'll be creating a screen flow here, right? So I have already created a one, like just by name. I have removed all the other things. So I'll be again making this flow, and we'll be showing you that how we can do it. So there is nothing here. Okay, just give me a second. I'll just delete everything. I'll show you. This is how you can delete each screen and other stuff. Okay. Okay, just give me a second. I'll delete this element, and now I'll delete this. So everything is gone currently. I'll delete this also. So we have basically now just like we have chosen a screen flow here, and this is what you will see after just after you choose a screen flow, right? So what we'll do today, you will be creating a flow with the help of which we can create records of account. Now, whenever we create a new account, what do we see? So we see all these information which we have to fill from our side, like account name, parent account, phone, etc., etc., etc. So today we'll be taking two, three of these parameters to fill the data. So first it will be taking account name, another will be taking a phone number, or you can take anything, and thirdly we'll be taking account type, right? So let's do this. So first of all, we'll click on screen. So here we'll give a name. So what name we can give? We'll give a name of screen one. API name will be autofilled. Now, first of all, we have to take the name, right? So name is in text format. So we'll choose text here. Here it comes. So we have to give a name now. So what we can give a label. So we'll be giving the label of ECC name, right? So these labels will be provided to you by your seniors in the project, right? But currently, uh, we'll be giving any name, a random name, and as this field was required, so you can click here on required, right? And you can use these information, but currently these information are not needed. And to provide help, you can just write here that please enter the name, right? Now you click on done. One more thing, now we also know that we have to take the phone number. So it is in numeric. So we'll click on number, and now we'll give the name of the label as ph number. Okay, so now the API name will be auto filled, and this is not required. So we'll not click on the checkbox. We'll keep it as it is. I'll click on done. Now, as we know that we have to choose what industry. We can choose industry, account type or industry, anything. So I'll be choosing industry. Just give me a second. Where is it? Yeah, here it is. So here are all the different values of industries or names, like areas of industry like agriculture, apparel, biotech, etc. So if you if you want to use all these things as a reference, that these all departments or areas should be shown. So what we can do is that we'll be creating a new resource of type. What type we want to we have to choose? We have to choose a pick list choice set, right? So we'll be choosing that. Now we'll have to give a API name. So we'll give it as Indus. We'll keep it like this. Okay, Indus. Now for which object? So uh, object will be account, right? Now data type. So it will be a pick list because it was not a multi-select pick list. Now field. So what was the field? So it was industry. So we'll choose industry. Order will be default. We'll click on done. Now, after that, we'll be creating a new screen, and now we'll give the name of the screen as screen 2, and then we'll choose pick list from here from the components as the industries. There were many industries, and it was not multi-select type. So, and here what we'll write? We'll write industry in capitals. So we'll be uh, seeing the name of the okay, not in capitals. We'll write just in small letters only. That will be better. Okay, so let's see, it is autofilled now. Now here you have to choose the resource. So see, here it comes. So while building a project, you will be seeing many resources. So choose wisely, because you can make a simple mistake and the flow will not be working as per designed or as per your requirement, right? So here is the is our resource. So we'll choose this, and now we'll click on done. Just give me a second. I think there is an error. What? Okay, not an issue. Yeah, it's done now. Okay. This the Up to this, I hope you all have understood now. Now what we'll do, we have to create records, right? So we'll choose create record. These are the various element interaction, and then logic, and then data. So we'll choose create records. What will be the label? So label will be create a record for count. API name will be the same. So a description, if you want, you can give. If not, it's your wish. Now, how many records to create? One at a time. You want to use all values, or you want to use various separate resources? So we want to use separate resources. For which object? For object account. Okay. Or now we have to select the fields, right? That which all fields we are filling the data. So first of all, it will be account name. So this is the one, and from where, so you'll be seeing these screen components. We have created this account name, right? Just a few minutes back. So we'll choose this. Now we have to enter the phone number. So we'll select phone number, and these fields which you are selecting are from object, and here what we are selecting, what we have created, like the data which we want to take from the user, right? So this will be ph number, you can see in the screen components, right? Now another field is industry. So now what to do? Now we have to search for the choice set here which we have created. So this is the one, you can see picklist choice set industry. So we have chosen this, and now is anything else required? No. So we'll click on done. So it is done now. Now what we have to do, we have to save this. So we'll be saving this. So the flow is saved, I think. Yes. Now we'll debug. So now I'll be showing how to debug. Means you will be entering a data and see that if it's working as per the requirement or not, or as you have designed or not. So account name. So see here, we have written that please enter the name here, and how we can see that it is required or not. So you can see the star mark here, right? So account name will keep the account name as we have created, and phone number 11111. Okay, now next. So see here, uh, we have created label name account one on screen one. Uh, on the label, we have created an account with value we have created. This is the name, and this is the phone number with the label ph number, and what the transaction is committed. Okay, and now you have to choose the industry. So we'll choose biotech, and we'll click on next. So see, the record is created, and you can see transaction committed. Any transaction is committed, and here you can see that record is ready to be created when the next screen pauses. So this is done, and you can see the ID of the record. So I'll show you that if the record is created or not. So we'll go here, we'll click on any of the record, and now what I'll do, I'll just replace the ID with the record which we have created, right? So yeah, see, we have created this record, and this is here, like name we have created, right? Phone number 11111, and industry type biotech, right? So this is how we create a flow, and we create records by using a flow. And this is here we can debug the flow, and you can see even you can track the ID of the record which you have created, right? So this is a basic flow how to create a record for any object, rather let it be a standard or a custom one, right? So I hope you have understood till now, and I will be teaching further regarding flows, other scenarios, and other elements also, and various other scenarios, how to make, how to delete records, etc. So keep learning. Have a good day. Be safe.